Here in the Cathedral of the Holy Cross, as we draw 2020 to a close, we have just listened to the tolling of the bells, something that's being done in churches throughout the Archdiocese and throughout the country, tolling the bells to recall the 330,000 Americans who have perished during this last year due to the epidemic, and the 12,000 here in the Commonwealth of Massachusetts. Many of our loved ones who contracted the virus and passed away died alone and separated from their families. Many of them were not able to even have the advantage of having their families and loved ones gathered for a funeral. But today we hold them all up in prayer, and we remember them, and we pray for the safety of all of our people, and pray that the new year will bring us hope and healing, and that there will be light at the end of the tunnel. And we encourage everyone to be safe, to stay well, to count on our prayers during this time as we pray especially for all of those who have passed away, those who at the present are in the hospital sick, those who are caring for them and for their loved ones. And we also pray that the new year will bring all of us peace and joy and a deeper sense of community. God bless all of you.